Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out the Bestech Ornetta. This is definitely one of the coolest Bestech knives I think I've seen so far. This thing rocks a 3.58 inch M390 stainless steel blade. Really like the grind on there, the big old groove, kind of the blood groove. Just super spectacular. So it provides a little bit of a kind of a stud that you can actually spidey flick it. Some super sweet milled out handles. I like the little kind of groove that they have right there for the frame lock. Makes it super easy to access, and then just fits really comfortable in your hand. Or if you want to do some more precision cutting, you can choke up on that choil. It's about 8.38 inches overall, so nice size, not too super big. It's about 4.4 ounces too, so it's not overly bulky, and just super silky smooth with some ceramic ball bearings. So make sure to get your new Bestech Ornetta today at Blade Ops.